Alright everybody, I got this new channel that I'm doing here, and what my goal is I bought this truck, and it's a 1988 GMC 2500 4x4, and I bought it from my eBay so I could test my parts. But what I'm going to do is all the stuff that I found and fixed, I'm going to show you because this is stuff that you normally can't find on anywhere really. Gauges, mainly gauges, and how to rebuild certain things. So, but anyways, I'm going to show you what I'm planning. Oh man, I got it locked, but let me unlock it here. But what I'm going to do is my next video that I'm going to show you guys is this light right here. Okay, now I know it don't seem like a big deal, but I'm going to show you how to, and I actually there's a cover that goes right here, but I have it off right now. But in this particular light's one of the ones that I didn't end up selling on eBay. But anyways, I'm going to show you how to refurbish this chrome piece, and then the length of the wire and everything you got to do to put this, to get yours back up in, because most of them are rusted really bad. And I've got lots of things that I've learned on the gauges and different things. Like I say, this is going to be a good truck to do it with, because this is a Chevy 350, and it's just got a lot of, you know, it's the most common, I believe, most common truck. But like I said, that's basically what I want to do is I'm going to go through this whole truck and show you guys what I've fixed, and then what I basically selling on eBay for my test stuff. So, but anyways, I noticed that. But anyways, that's what I'm going to do. So I hope I can help. But I found a lot of stuff about these trucks that nobody tells you. So that's my plan. All right, later Gators.